HubSpot Snippets are reusable blocks of text that we can use in our HubSpot CRM. We can also use them in our email clients like Gmail or in Outlook, in our emails, and in our templates. So we're going to quickly show you an example of what a snippet might include. So if you think about something that you want to repeatedly load in an email message, something like information about your company, information about products, perhaps it's a background about a certain individual that's come on board. There's a lot of different use cases here. But in this example, we give it a name such as HQ Intro. We include the information right here, and we can kind of style it just with our simple WYSIWYG. And then we include a shortcut. And this little tag is going to let us, like I said, load it up in our emails or load it up in our templates. So I'm just going to hit save there, and you can create a new one up at the top. But if I jump over now to a contact record and I say I want to email this contact here, I'm going to create a new email. And my subject line is just going to be hello. And I can just come in here now and say, hi, cool robot, and then add my snippet simply by using my hashtag and say intro HQ. There we go. And it will pop that in for me. So again, these are really handy reusable blocks of text. Anything that you don't want to have to remember to type, you can save up to 5,000 of them depending on your subscription. And I want to show you quickly how easy it is to also access those in something like Gmail. So now I'm over here. I'm logged into my HubSpot CRM. I can come to my snippets. I can see those same sets of snippets here and include them. I can come and pull them all out if I need to go edit one. But again, just by searching, I can always pull up and include whichever one I want to access. So that HQ intro, for example, would be right here. It's pretty handy. Please reach out with any questions. Thanks so much.